Good morning.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Jeep, jeep.
You got a cheep on there? Yep, there's a birdie.
A bug.
And a frog.
A bug.
And a bug up there.
Yeah. A bug.
We're not.
Yep.
Morning.
What do you got?
Play-Doh stuff. Dough.
You want to play with dough?
That's what it says on the book.
I found this dough at the dollar store. So you get 4 of these Play-Doh things for $1, but it's not real Play-Doh, it's just called dough. So I got him so Malia wouldn't be bored.
Well, the kids were at school.
Yeah, Jordan's still asleep, otherwise he'd play too, but you gonna play now?
And there's white, yellowish thingy. Yellowish thingy. Yeah, it's yellow. And purple and copper.
Bluish green.
Bluish green. It looks so funny. I don't want to play with it. I don't want to smash it though. Okay, what am I gonna make? I wish there was a knife, And it's okay if you have an accidental mess, like a hole.
There's babies. Elsa, you're gonna show us your babies. This is Elsa. Hi, Elsa. You gonna show us your babies? Show us your babies.
Yes.
That's Daddy over there. That's Murphy. Hi, Murph. And find you a new buddy there, Jordan.
Well, basically, I have a neighbor that has 3 dogs, and I'm friends with all of them.
Yep, that's true.
So, Mama, down.
Hi, Murph. You want down?
I just.
Do you want to get down and see the babies?
Baby,
Look, there's babies right there.
it's a dog.
Baby dogs. You see the puppies over there? Big dog.
No, go.
That's nice, big dog. Hi, Elsa. What do you think of those babies? What do you think? Aren't they nice babies? Those babies are bigger than you, sweet pie. Hi, cutie pies.
Why do they have a gate in front of them?
Hi, babies. Hi, babies. There's Mama coming to check, make sure we're not being mean.
Hey,
We're just
go.
trying to be friendly.
Go. Elsa. Elsa, go. Go.
Why are you hiding behind me? Come see the babies.
Babies.
There you go.
Those are lovely babies. Those are lovely babies.
You're not supposed to chew on that, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not supposed to do that.
Puppy pin needs to get cleaned out.
Mama, poop it.
You want to open it?
Do it.
I don't think a regular
Baby, do it.
Your baby do it? You want to get in there? You want to get in there, baby?
No. Baby, do it.
Oh, you want to do this? Oh.
Mama,
What?
I got that. Okay.
Baby.
Baby. Baby, do it.
Yes, baby, I did. Where's your baby? Oh, nice baby.
Baby, do it.
Nice baby.
Baby. Baby. Baby, do it.
I'm really happy to hear that.
Bye.
Went out. But
Here go.
ain't gonna happen. Picking them off here.
Oh, babies. Oh, there's babies.
Don't poke an eye out. Big fat.
I was just come through. I didn't bring the cat. Let me call my wife and talk to her a little bit about
Yeah, hold it. I'll hold it.
Maybe like put a piece of tape on it.
Yeah, I don't know if you can pick up that baby. This is a big fluffy baby.
We could just shave off his hair and put this on his coat.
Murphy says, "Oh, somebody's in the yard." And you found your bag.
Let's find some garbage, oh boy.
Found some garbage.
Is that better? You're too little to hold that big giant thing. Baby, hold it.
Hey, here, hold it. Come here, hold it. What do you
There you
think?
go. You got it? You got it? Is that better? Did you find a dog? Oh, what a nice dog. Oh, is it nice? You're such a good boy, Murphy. Yeah, that one's a little spazzy, huh? You like that dog too? I like a Murph. Murph's a good boy.
I have no idea what Malia was doing over here, but she sure has quite the spread going on here. That's a jack-o'-lantern. She told me about that one. That's a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh.
And there's a snowman right there.
I knew that one was a
Snowman's
snowman.
cool. Oh, this is a snowman
source
too.
for bullets on 350.
I told you.
Show me what you made.
Look. A snowman
What are you gonna do with those pumpkins?
and a snowman without any nose because I forgot his nose.
What's all this? What are these?
Oh, there's circles and squares and stuff.
They are pretty cool.
Wait, I need to finish one more thing.
Oh, that's how you made them. I see now. Gotcha.
And circles out of this plate.
Cool. Okay, well, let's get the table cleaned off now, okay?
Hello guys, well, it's just another day from work for me. Another routine. It's still really hard to just come home and it's so quiet. It's very quiet. The kids are not here. Once again, I just spent most of the day catching up or working, and then after work I had to catch up with a lot of paperwork. I have a ton of paperwork at work. So now I just made it home. Gonna figure out what to eat and then, I don't know, chill, maybe watch some TV. There might be a couple of movies that I want to watch, but I don't know, I'm kind of tired. I might hit the sack a little bit early. Usually Mommy and I go to bed a little past midnight every day, uploading the video and everything. Well, actually Mommy stays a little bit later than me. But since Mommy and the kids are gone, I can hit the sack a little bit early. And I think that's what I'm doing today because I am quite tired. It was a very, very busy day at work. I'm also gonna call the kids in a little bit and say hi to them. I definitely miss them a bunch. It's not the same with them. I hope you guys are having a great day and thank you for watching our videos, our vlog. We're so happy that you guys are watching, and remember to leave us a comment. Let us know that you're watching and where you're watching from. We love making friends from all over the world. We'll catch up tomorrow.
We just went in town to pick up Devin from her band trip, and we got there. My sister Devin, we got there at 8 o'clock. She was supposed to be there 8, And then we had to wait for an hour and a half because they were late.
It's your fault. That's so
It was actually, she says it's my fault. There's no way that that's possibly my fault, but we had to wait an hour and a half in the car. Jackson fell asleep, so now he's asleep. My battery was dead on my phone, so I didn't have anything to do. We were just watching a movie. It was really boring, but yeah. So it's bedtime now. Jackson's already in bed. Let's get these kids put to bed. Can't put them to bed without dessert, can we?
It's a crime to do that.
So what'd you guys think of the puppies?
Pretty. Really cute.
Are they cute? Little fluff balls.
And Murphy's very companionable.
He's a very, very good doggy, huh?
And if you
Very
like
sweet.
this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to make this channel stronger, share it with a friend. And now, good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. I think it's right there. It's somewhere in this square. You're watching this. And leave a thumbs up. Yeah, please.